Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with the unboxing and install of this 22-inch kinky straight wig from Cynosure hair. And one thing I just love about these kinky straight wigs, like when I tell you they look like our hair, like this hair is so thick. My goodness. And it also had 4C edges, which you're gonna see in a little bit, you guys. And it's 360 with the Invisor strap. Cynosure actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and hop into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, we are going to go ahead and unbox this Cynosure wig. It just came in, girlies. Here it is. We gotta take it out the pack and see what we're working with. Let's see what she's given. Okay, so it came with some gifts. Let's see what we got in this package. First and foremost, let's see what they gave us. So here we have a headband. We have an edge brush and a wig cap and some lashes. Okay, let me move this. We don't want that back there. But yeah, we have some lashes. These are some big old lashes, like the 25 millimeter, like the girlies were wearing in the 2020s, the early 2020s. But here's the wig. It's a 22-inch. Oh, okay, this is like a yaki texture. We're gonna take it out and see what she's giving us. And oh my goodness, thank goodness, the lace is already cut. Oh, I love the wigs that have the little kinky edges. I feel like they're fun, and of course they look more natural, but I do love the little kinky edges. Like, I think it's fun. Because honestly, most of our hairline does not look like that super plucked, insane, well, you know, the wig look. But I like the wig look too, but I think it's always fun to switch it up with the kinky 4C edges. And it is still plucked behind the hairline, as you can see. So once you just kind of, you know, smooth some of these baby hairs down and style them the way you want, it's gonna look good. And the lace is cut. Okay, and the hair itself, like, look at the hair. She got some movement. Like, she looks cutesy. That's a lot of movement back there. Like, it's flowing, and this is thick all the way to the ends. This is gonna look really, really good, like straightened, and because it's still gonna have texture to it, and it's gonna look like ours. So I think that's super duper cool. But let's look at the inside of this wig too. Oh, and as you can see, this is their 360 lace. So on the inside, you are able to pull these and actually do an updo with this wig too. So like, as you can see, it's lace all the way up there, and then even in the back too. So you can do a nice high ponytail. And then instead of having to glue the back, you just pull these like invisible straps on the side. You'll see when we get into the install. It'll be super easy to install it too. But I always love that. Let me show you. So right here, you know, you just tighten and pull these instead of having to like actually glue the back of your wig down. Like, you see that little flat, bam. And of course it has an elastic band, so if you have a bigger or smaller head, like, you're good. Like, you can tighten the wig to make sure it's not going anywhere, even when you have a high ponytail. And one thing I just noticed while I was playing with this wig, it also has the little 4C edges in the back, honey. So even when you do a high ponytail, it's still gonna eat. Like, it's still gonna have like those same edges up front. Like, it has a kitchen. That's what it is. It basically has a kitchen. So that is interesting. Okay. Okay, Cynosure, but here you go. Bam, there's our little kitchen in the back. So let's go ahead and put this wig on and see what she's giving. Let's see. Okay, so of course you're just seeing all those 4C thick edges up front. But we are going to actually style this wig and make it give now. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten the back so we can get this wig, like, you know, secured. But to secure this wig, all you gotta do is pull these little straps, so at least we don't have to glue anything down. I need it like a little tighter before I start styling on my head. As for the styling, I think I'm just gonna do a middle part first and foremost. Guys, stop fucking messaging me. What the? Okay, so I'm just taking my flat iron and kind of smoothing it out to create our middle part the way I want it to be. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little makeup in the part to make sure it gives the way I want it to. Right now, let's see. Okay, she's looking cutesy now. I'm feeling like Shaka Khan or something. Like, this looks like my hair. Not to mention, this hair is just so thick. This is a lot of hair. See, this is why I don't blow out my real hair, because this is literally how freaking thick it is. Like, this is a lot of hair. My goodness. Cynosure. Whoa. That's a lot of hair. Like, this is actually really pretty. Like, this is a lot of hair. So now I'm just gonna flat iron it a little bit. Like, bam. Like, it's just never ending hair. I'm just gonna add a little bit of straightness to it just so it can lay a little flatter, but she's cute. And you can do a side part with this wig easily. Like, it's a lot of parting space, as you all saw. And also, we need to do a quick updo too and see what she gives. But this is fun. My flat iron is over here heating up. But let's see how this wig actually looks once we straighten a little piece. Let's straighten a little piece and see what she gives, if it looks like our hair. Okay, yeah. Ooh, it straightens beautiful. It looks so silky. Oh my goodness. Okay, it looks really pretty straight. So I just wanted to kind of bump the ends a little bit too, like our mamas used to do. Like, you know, you gotta have your ends bumped. Hold on. I don't really feel like doing like a whole straight style, and I don't want the hair to like, I still want to show off that this is like textured. So I'm not gonna work too hard straightening this hair. Like, I'm not trying to make it flat. But this hair can definitely get super flat. And I do have the flat iron on 450 right now. Like, this is as hot as it can go. So this is human hair, you guys. And I don't know if I said this before, but this is also 22 inches. So this is actually a really nice length too, I would say. Oh, I do want to see this like completely straight, but I gotta do that another day probably. Yeah, I look like I belong on a perm box right now. I literally look like I could be on a perm box. I don't care if the bottom gets poofy, but let's get the top just a little flat. And of course, just like our hair, it's gonna get its yucky back as soon as you get it wet. It's gonna get its texture and crinkles back in there as soon as you get it wet. But yeah, that looks good. It looks really nice. Okay, so now I just want to add a little more slick stick to the top so it can be a little flatter, so it can give what I needed to give. But this looks cute. It looks like my hair. It's giving like, I keep saying that, but it looks like Y2K. It's giving Y2K when people use the really skinny crimpers, the ones that gave like really small crimpers so your hair will be super big. That's what it looks like. It's giving Bianca Lawson and Buffy the Vampire Slayer. I don't know if I sound old for even knowing that reference, but yeah, that's what it reminds me of a little bit, because it is just so fluffy. Okay, let me show you all this updo. So over here we have these two. Ooh, I felt that and I thought that was my hair in the back. But yeah, we have these two strings and we tightened them a little bit earlier. But yeah, we want them to be super tight so we can do our updo. And I'm gonna leave two pieces down so I could have like the little front pieces, which would be cute. We'll leave these two pieces down for our updo and still like put it up. And now we can actually put the hair up and do our cute little bun. Okay, now that's better. That's better. Bam. Bam. Okay, now she's cutesy. Now she's cute. Now she's super cutesy. Okay, let me get this part right up front. Bring our ear out. Free the ears, as I like to say. Free the ears. But yes, like, look at my cute little high ponytail. Look at those 4C edges, my goodness. But okay, I think I want to keep it down today. Let's keep the hair down. But it's good to know that we can do that, because a lot of wigs are not that versatile. And we didn't even really have to glue this wig down. It didn't take much work whatsoever. Once again, this wig is from Cynosure. This is their 22-inch Yaki straight wig. So make sure to check it out. Like, she's super duper thick, you guys. But of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.